10 Keyboards with PBT Keycaps, Durability and Style. Title: 10 Keyboards with PBT Keycaps, Durability and Style. Introduction. In the world of computer peripherals, keyboards hold a special place. They are essential tools for work, gaming, or even casual internet browsing. While there are numerous keyboards available in the market, one feature that sets them apart from the rest is the use of PBT keycaps. PBT, or polybutylene terephthalate, keycaps offer a perfect blend of durability and style. In this article, we will explore 10 keyboards that come equipped with PBT keycaps, offering not only a long-lasting typing experience but also giving your setup an aesthetic upgrade. 1. Ducky 1-2 Mini. The Ducky 1-2 Mini is a compact keyboard that has garnered a considerable reputation for its PBT keycaps. Its exceptional build quality and robust keycaps make typing on this keyboard a joy. With vibrant color options and customizable RGB lighting, the Ducky 1-2 Mini ensures durability and style for those seeking a unique typing experience. 2. Keychron K6. Designed with versatility in mind, the Keychron K6 offers a wireless experience alongside PBT keycaps. This compact mechanical keyboard provides hot swappable switches, giving users the freedom to boost their preferred switch type. Its PBT keycaps ensure longevity, while the understated aesthetics make it a popular choice for minimalistic enthusiasts. 3. Varmilo Va 87M. The Varmilo Va 87M excels in both functionality and aesthetics. With its robust construction and PBT keycaps, this keyboard is built to withstand the test of time. Its clean, elegant design combined with customizable keycaps makes it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts seeking both durability and style. 4. Drop Control. The Drop Control is a mechanical keyboard that stands out for its solid build quality and premium PBT keycaps. With swappable switches, every user gets a chance to customize their preferred typing experience seamlessly. Its unique design and excellent engraving quality make it a visual treat, ensuring that durability is not compromised for style. 5. N-Pro 2. The N-Pro 2 is a wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with PBT keycaps for added durability and a minimalist look. Offering RGB illumination and a compact design, this keyboard delivers a seamless typing experience. Its wireless capabilities, coupled with its robust keycaps, make it a popular choice for users seeking both convenience and durability. 6. Leopold FC660M. The Leopold FC660M is well known for its build quality and reliable performance. This compact keyboard features top-notch PBT keycaps that can withstand heavy usage without showing signs of wear. Its thoughtfully designed layout and customizable options make it a sought-after choice among professionals and gamers alike. 7. Vortex Gear Race 3. The Vortex Gear Race 3 joins the ranks of keyboards with high-quality PBT keycaps. With its small form factor and visually appealing color options, this keyboard is a favorite among those who value durability and style. Its fully programmable keys and reliable build quality make it incredibly popular in the mechanical keyboard community. 8. Filco Magistouch 2. The Filco Magistouch 2 impresses with its sturdy build and carefully designed PBT keycaps. Not only does this keyboard guarantee durability, but its classic design and elegant keycap fonts also make it a timeless addition to any setup. With its no-nonsense aesthetics, the Philco Magistouch 2 appeals to professionals who prioritize both longevity and elegance. 9. Durgad Taurus K320. The Durgad Taurus K320 boasts a premium build and durable PBT keycaps, ensuring a satisfying and long-lasting typing experience. Its sturdy construction and compact layout make it suitable for both gaming and office work. Featuring programmable backlighting effects, this keyboard offers both functionality and style to its users. 10. HyperX Alloy Origins. The HyperX Alloy Origins deserves a spot on this list for its solid aluminum frame, exceptional RGB customization, and PBT keycaps. This keyboard combines high durability and style, making it a popul. Our choice among gamers. Its compact design and tactile feedback ensure an enjoyable typing experience, even during long gaming sessions. Of durability and aesthetics. Whether you prefer compact keyboards like the Ducky 1-2 Mini or wireless options like the Keychron K6 and N Pro 2, there is a PBT keycap keyboard to suit your needs. The Varmilo VA 87M and Drop Control offer both functionality and style with their premium build quality and customizable features. If you're looking for a compact yet reliable option, the Leopold FC660M and Vortex Gear Race 3 are worth considering. These keyboards deliver exceptional performance with their robust construction and visually appealing design. For a more classic and timeless look, the Philco Magistouch 2 is a perfect choice. It combines sturdy build quality with elegant keycap fonts, making it a popular option among professionals. The Durgad Taurus K320 offers a premium build and programmable backlighting effects, making it suitable for both gaming and office work. Last but not least, the HyperX Alloy Origin stands out with its solid aluminum frame, exceptional RGB customization, and PBT keycaps. It provides high durability and style, making it a preferred choice among gamers. Title: 10 Keyboards with PBT Keycaps, Durability and Style. Introduction. In the world of computer peripherals, keyboards hold a special place. They are essential tools for work, gaming, or casual internet browsing. While there are numerous keyboards available in the market, one feature that sets some apart from the rest is the use of PBT keycaps. PBT, or polybutylene terephthalate, keycaps offer a perfect blend of durability and style. In this article, we will explore